everyone! So welcome to my channel. This is my first video for this channel and it will be an unboxing video. The product is called PINKFLASH. So stay tuned. So here are the overall view of the product. I will show them one by one later. Do keep in mind that these products are actually I already used them for like within a week, and so far so good. They are alright. I like them. I just don't like the smell, but it's a budget friendly, so give it a chance. And they are not sealed because once again I used them, so here they are. When I bought the product, it was around 381 pesos and with delivery fee, and I bought it around December 2021 and I received it around January 2022 because it was holidays. That's why it took forever. The collection I bought is Christmas collection. There are other more varieties, but I chose this because there is PINKFLASH bag and I wanted another makeup kit bag so my makeup will be organized.